Walai mi sikupanda nao. Mabinti warembo lakini sikupenda nao. Walai mi.
What do you want?
I'm not talk mother tongue today.
Tumukuke ndilo sote nyoleka nyo. Isongoro niwe wacho nyoro mo.
I'm not talk mother tongue today.
Oh.
Someone wronging me up there. Someone, do you know someone?
Someone I know.
Wronging me up there and tolding me to bringing him a chair.
I'm a chair I know mo.
So that him sitting on it.
Sitting on it now.
Some people are joker.
Wachukula dhuluo mo nyano kisunga kia.
Some people are going joke with me.
Joke me and joke.
How can I get employed when I'm not work?
I'm not working.
How can you get employed when you are not work?
I will
and
work.
And then the same not work. Going to town.
Going to town
to buy poso meal. That poso meal. You sing. Are you hearing it?
Are you hearing it?
That poso meal you see. Huh? That poso meal. That poso meal siagaing maragwe. Then I eating it. I eat the poso meal.
Umoja.
Adi.
Mano, wachukula dhuluo.
Can I tell you a story?
A story?
Can I tell you a story? Yesterday, I saw a green grass in the snake.
Hey, green grass?
In the snake.
In the snake?
Yes.
Snake to the green grass?
I saw green grass in the snake.
No. Yes, but very nothing.
When the grass was crawling under the snake, grass crawling under the snake, and then snake started saying, Yawa.
No.
Why is this thing crawl under me like this?
He said it's very bad.
Why is this thing crawl under me like this? And then me told it. I told it that thing is crawling under it.
No.
Because under it is free.
Sir.
So if under it is free, is the reason this thing is crawling under it. And I told the snake that, leave them alone. They will just come and go. And then it will leave you free.